You want to enter IT, but which skills will really get you a job in 2026, not just nice buzzwords on your resume? In this video, I'll show you 5 concrete IT skills that give you excellent job market opportunities in the coming years. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start and what learning sequence makes sense. Skill 1. Programming. The first skill that opens extremely many doors in IT 2026 is programming. You don't have to be a perfect software developer right away, but you should master at least one programming language solidly. For many beginners, Python or JavaScript make the most sense. Python is strong when it comes to automation, small scripts, data topics, and back-end logic. JavaScript is everywhere on the web in the front end, often in the back end with Node.js, and complements many other skills very well. More important than the specific language is that you learn fundamental thinking patterns, variables, loops, conditions, functions, error handling, working with files, and AP1s. Once you understand these fundamentals in one language, switching to other languages later becomes much easier. Your goal should be to implement small projects that solve a real problem, for example, a script that automates recurring tasks, or a small web application. This way you gain practical experience that you can show in applications and interviews. Skill 2. Cloud competency. The second major skill block is cloud competency. More and more companies are moving their infrastructure to the cloud, or working at least hybrid traditional on-prem admin jobs are currently transforming strongly. You don't have to become an architect immediately, but you should understand basic terms. What are virtual machines, storage, databases, networks in the cloud? What do terms like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS mean? Practically, it helps if you learn to create, configure, and clean up resources in a test environment. This includes simple network settings, permissions, and awareness that cloud costs run when resources are permanently active. Cloud skills complement almost every IT role. As a developer, you deploy applications. As an admin, you manage infrastructure. As a security person, you ensure secure configurations. The sooner you get used to the cloud being part of everyday work, the better. Skill 3. DevOps and automation. The third skill revolves around DevOps thinking and automation. Instead of doing things manually by hand, the trend is clearly toward automating recurring tasks. DevOps focuses on efficiency, reliability, and collaboration between development and operations. The goal is to make processes repeatable, predictable, and less prone to human error. This includes version control with Git first. Whether you develop, write scripts, or maintain configurations, Git is the standard for tracking work in teams and merging it cleanly. It allows you to manage changes, collaborate with others, and maintain a clear history of development. Understanding branching, merging, and version tracking is essential in modern workflows. At the next level, CI/CD pipelines come into play. Automated builds, tests, and deployments so changes quickly and reliably reach test or production environments. You don't have to build complex pipelines right away, but understanding how the flow from pushing code to running in target environment works is extremely valuable. Automation ensures consistency, speeds up delivery, and reduces the risk of deployment failures. Additionally, it's worth building basic scripting skills for automation, for example with Bash, PowerShell, or small Python scripts. This way you can define repeatable processes, automate system tasks, and reduce errors from manual steps. Over time, automation allows teams to scale operations efficiently and focus on solving higher-level problems rather than repeating routine work. Skill 4. IT security awareness. The fourth skill is security awareness, regardless of which IT role you're aiming for. Almost every company today is a target of attacks, and many problems arise from simple mistakes or lack of basic knowledge. Security is no longer a specialized topic limited to security teams. It is a responsibility shared by everyone involved in building and operating systems. You should know basic risks, phishing emails, weak or reused passwords, poorly configured services, unencrypted connections, and missing updates. Understanding how attackers exploit vulnerabilities helps you prevent common mistakes. You should also understand which simple measures bring significant protection, such as multi-factor authentication, the principle of least privilege, and regular updates. The mindset is also important. Security isn't an additional feature you stick on at the end, but an integral part of design, development, operations, and support. Secure systems are built through careful planning, monitoring, and continuous improvement. If you think about security implications in your decisions by default, you stand out positively and contribute to more reliable systems. You don't have to be a full-time security professional, but solid basics make you more valuable in any team and help protect both users and organizations from avoidable risks. Skill 5, Data and AI Understanding. The fifth skill revolves around data and artificial intelligence. While you don't need to become a data scientist or machine learning expert, a basic understanding of how data is collected, stored, and analyzed is essential in almost every modern IT role. Data drives decision-making, improves processes, and enables innovation across industries, so knowing how to work with data will make you a more effective and relevant professional. This skill starts with understanding how data is structured. You should be familiar with how data is stored in databases or files, the difference between structured and unstructured data, and how to perform basic operations on that data. Even knowing how to write simple queries to filter, aggregate, or analyze data can give you a huge advantage, whether you're debugging code, building software, or evaluating system performance. These skills help you understand the information that powers many IT systems and give you the tools to improve them. Regarding AI, it's not necessary to dive into the complexities of machine learning, but you should understand where AI tools can be applied meaningfully in your work. For example, AI tools can help you write code, analyze logs, or generate documentation drafts. It's essential to know how to leverage AI as a productivity tool and not just as a buzzword. By using AI to assist in tasks such as data analysis, automating processes, or improving workflows, you can work more efficiently and effectively. Equally important is understanding the limitations of AI. While AI is a powerful tool, it is not infallible, and the responsibility for the final result still lies with the human user. It's critical to review AI suggestions, ensure that they are technically sound, and verify that the results align with your goals. By understanding AI as a supportive tool rather than an all-knowing solution, you can make better informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Those who are comfortable using AI and data analysis tools in their everyday tasks and understand when and where to apply them will have a clear advantage in a wide range of IT roles. The future of IT is data-driven, and having the foundational knowledge of how to harness and work with data will make you indispensable. Putting it all together, your learning roadmap. How do you now put these 5 skills into a sensible order? One possible path looks like this. First, you build a solid foundation in one programming language, ideally with small projects. In parallel, you learn Git and get used to versioning your work cleanly. In the next step, you build cloud basics and automate initial tasks. After that, you deepen DevOps fundamentals, look at security basics, and engage with data and AI enough to understand the most important concepts. Your goal is a T-shaped profile, broad fundamentals in multiple areas, and one focus where you're particularly deep, for example, development, administration, or security. This way you can clearly communicate what you can do and simultaneously work well with other roles on the team. Now you know 5 IT skills that give you very good chances at exciting jobs in 2026 and a rough roadmap for how to get started. In the next video, we'll look more closely at how classic admin jobs are changing toward cloud and DevOps and what that means for your career path. If you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and write in the comments which skill you want to deepen first. Thanks for being here. See you in the next video.